Hi, if you're an architect who loves getting the best quality render with little or no effort, or maybe you're just a render enthusiast who loves playing with cool render apps and create beautiful images, then welcome to Twinmotion 2019. Twinmotion 2019 is by far one of the best architectural rendering solutions out there, and this is because it's built on top of the Unreal Engine, which is also known to be a AAA game engine for super realistic images renders, which has also been used for creating product and architectural design. Most importantly, the Unreal Engine is known for its real-time game rendering, which has amazing qualities, and the same qualities is what Twinmotion gives to you without the learning curve of the Unreal Engine. In this short series of tutorial, I will go through the new features that comes with Twinmotion 2019, which includes the reflection probes, the decals, the measuring tool, the lighting updates, and the perspective correction that comes with the new version of Twinmotion 2019. We'll also look at the visual effects and much more. We'll also go through the fundamental features that a new user needs to know before getting their feet wet with Twinmotion 2019. If you're new to Twinmotion, you don't have to worry because no previous knowledge is required. My name is Anselm from askNK, and I'll be showing you around Twinmotion 2019. Hi, before you click the next video on the top right corner of the screen, if you like what you've just seen, click on the like button and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to turn on notifications so that you get updates next time we upload a new video.